The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Nima! You are back with the cooking, bro. Guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Now I am bomb rushing Ama's kitchen. If you guys ever caught the video before where we went to the Nima Market and we got all the supplies for this dish, please go back and check it out. That way you know which part of the food I come from. Anyway, let's get into today's video. Oh yeah. So this here is a palm nut, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm gonna pound it.
You know what's funny? This thing grows on the palm trees as well back home, and I've never seen anybody use it.
Wow.
Yeah, but maybe if I'm wrong, people can drop it in the comments. However, it's just like here, you guys have what we call ackee trees. I've seen them on the roadsides, and I've also heard that when they bear fruit, nobody eats the fruit. Yeah, and it's just something that we eat back home, but you guys don't eat it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's food for you. Some things people will eat because it's customary, some things not so much.
See, this is the palm kernel. There's a seed inside this.
Okay.
So if I crush this thing, the seed, we can extract oil from that, from the seed also.
That's what they call the palm oil.
Palm kernel oil.
Or we call it
The
palm
oil that
kernel
you get,
oil.
you know, the soup that I'm going to prepare.
Yeah.
You get palm oil from it. And then this, the oil that we extract from the seed inside this shell is called palm kernel oil.
Palm kernel oil.
Yeah.
Got you. So you guys find uses for everything.
Yeah.
All the ingredients
It's
have
really nice.
Oh
Really
yeah,
nice,
I've
really
cooked
nice,
with it
really
before.
nice.
It's really good. What did you just do?
I'm chewing one of it.
You tuned one of them? What? I need to try that. Well guys, it's so funny that right here you can see the red palm nuts, and then if you look up and you look just right there, you guys can see it. So there goes the palm tree. We have these back at home in Jamaica, but yeah, not really used like that. So I'll grab me one of these. Don't mind if I do. So with this, is it boiled already?
Yeah.
So you already boiled it to
Yeah,
soften it?
boiled it, yeah.
Okay, got you. Alright, let's try. Alright, I'll tell you what I think.
That tastes good, eh?
Okay. I don't know why I thought it was gonna taste different from the actual oil. They call it red palm oil, I believe. In the Western world, call it red palm oil, and this tastes exactly like that. The oil, it would be considered to be, kind of buttery, not with the salt, so not like a salted buttery, so it's that kind of flavor. However, you guys might have seen my face just now. I got completely thrown off because I was expecting something more either sweet or sour. But this would taste like kind of like an unsalted butter, kind of like a mashed potato in a little way. Yeah, so not what I expected. Still interesting. And you're just throwing it away. You're in for your second one. So you mentioned that some people eat it raw.
Yeah.
Mm. When it's raw, does it taste the same way, or is it
No.
more
It
bitter?
tastes different. No, that tastes bitter.
What is this?
It's not bitter.
Tastes the same way, or
No, it's like the taste will be a little bit different.
better or
But
worse?
it's not bitter. Is it?
Is it better or worse?
Yeah, it's better.
Better when it's
Yeah.
raw.
Yeah.
Okay. So I noticed like there were some birds, like blackbirds, flying around.
Yeah.
Do you know the name of them?
Okay. For that blackbird, actually, I don't really know the English name, but for in our local language, we call it kwakwandabi.
Kwakwandabi.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Yeah.
Oh, you said you don't know in English. Never
Yeah.
mind.
It's like, can sometimes they name it, in a way, maybe the way it cries, it cries like kwa, kwa, kwa. Yeah, that's how it cries. So, yeah.
Yeah, I saw a lot of them just now.
Yeah.
Bunch of them.
Yeah, when they saw this thing, they thought maybe it's
The drone. Yeah.
One of their friends, so
Oh,
that is flying, it's like flies like them, yeah. So that's why.
Ah, got you, bro.
It's cool. It's okay now.
So what you doing now? You're just adding the...
Yeah, I'm going to mix it with the water. Then I'll sieve it.
So you're just like washing out the pot now?
Yeah, I'm washing it up.
So basically you're just trying to squeeze out the juice and that's it?
Yeah.
Okay. I will not lie, that juice or that soupy liquid looks very rich, man. Doesn't look diluted or watered down. Yep.
I'm gonna throw this one away. You don't need it anymore. See, but when you go to the villages where they use firewood, yeah, they mostly use firewood.
They use it again.
This one, yeah, they use it to set fire. It's easily
Caught.
set fire. Yeah. When it's dry, just take your matches and you see. Boom.
Yeah, it's like tinder. Very light.
Yeah.
Easy to catch on fire.
That's what they used to set their fire every morning.
Nice.
Or when it's raining season like this, setting fire. And it rains on the wood like that. It's hard to set fire.
True.
Yeah, so they use this.
Gotcha.
Put this on top of the wood and then.
Taking off my bracelet's not normally good to cook with stuff like that. So Take it off. It has my brethren's name on it, Kurt, and my grandmother who also passed away. Yo, this is hot, bro. So just to give you guys a feel, it's hot. It's hot because it's hot water. They did put some colder water in there, so it's bad, but not so bad. But now I'm getting mostly the seeds. I'm not getting a lot of the trash. This particular liquid, can it stain your clothes?
Yes.
It can?
Yeah.
Wow. So do you use this? Have you ever made the palm kernel oil before?
Yes.
You've done it before?
Yeah, I've done it before.
Man, this dude can do everything. I'm gonna let you guys know this. Here, this is not a country for Jamaica. I call it soft, man. It's not a country for, you know, being soft. You have to be rugged, tough, ready. Like, I literally just washed my hands with some pretty hot water, you know, to wash off the palm oil, yeah, oil something. And it's something that you notice as well when you're eating. So like in one of those videos I did mention, when you're eating that soup, you have to eat it really quick, because if you make it get very cold, then your hands get pretty gunked up with the fats from the oil. But here learning so many different things. I actually have this oil back home in my pantry. I bought like 2 bottles of it. I used it once, I believe, for my own personal use. But yeah, now that I have it, I can probably make a couple videos doing some of the Ghanaian dishes that I've had here, and maybe adding a little bit of a Jamaican twist to it. Yeah, so here I'm being schooled, I'm being educated in culinary ways of Ghanaian people. Are you going to be using all of this for dinner tonight,
for
like
the
this?
Soup, yeah, for the soup, yeah.
Okay.
But you won't eat all. Yeah.
Okay.
You eat some and then
Leave.
eat some, yeah. This is cow leg.
Cow legs.
Yeah.
In Jamaica we say cow foot.
Okay, yeah.
What?
Here we call it kotuje.
Kotuje.
Kotuje, yeah.
Kotuje. So now you've mixed
The cow meat.
the
yeah.
cow meat.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a 2 meat pot. Nice. And now you're going to add the dried fish.
Yeah.
Wow. So I'll clue you guys in on something really quick. There were 2 things that happened to me in recent times that made me choose to come to Ghana. You know, one of them was going to the market. Every time I go to Coronation Market back home in Kingston, a lot of people always say, oh, this reminds them so much of Africa. Some people say Ghana, some people say Nigeria, wherever the case is. Now, another thing that got me wanting to come to Ghana was I recreated a dish that was an African dish. It was an okra soup, and yeah, I made a little bit of substitutions and alterations, but what I noticed is the complexity in the flavors of that dish that I made. I believe I used a bit of red herring, which was a substitute for the smoked or dried fish that they have here, and I used chicken and some other stuff. But what I noticed about that dish is that the flavors that got into the soup were so rich and they were so different. So your taste buds were basically everywhere. One party was like, oh, this is smoky. Oh, this is spicy. Oh, this is savory. Oh, this is slimy. Oh, this is crunchy. So that's what I really appreciated. And when I saw him dropping in those 3 different meats together, each meat comes with a different type of flavor profile. It adds something different to the dish. So for example, the feet of the cow is going to give you that kind of a gummy kind of texture, or how can I say, you can feel it. I almost said you could feel it in the flavors, but you really can't. But you get the idea. You're getting different things, and the smoked and the dried fish is going to give you that smoky flavor. So it's going to make this dish just complex and different. And like I would say, the cow feet in some countries, probably in America, I'm not even sure they use stuff like that. So they're making usage of every single thing, and it's going to bring out the flavor, man. And those are some of the reasons why I took my little self to Ghana. Now, for those of you who are sitting on the fence with foods like these, no worries. My boy Kurt would have been sitting on the fence with you guys as well, because a lot of these dishes he probably would not have been trying. That's what makes people polar opposites, and that's okay. You said this is called perkese?
Yeah,
What is it exactly?
yeah, I'm gonna put it in the soup.
But what is it? Is it like a nut or
No,
vegetable?
no, it's like this. You just put it inside. When I finish boiling it, I just remove them and throw them away.
Oh, it adds flavor.
Yeah.
Got you.
And it's a medicine too.
It's a medicine.
Yeah.
Oh, so you have some onions chopped
Yeah.
up. What else do you have in there? Salt,
Yeah.
onions, some. Oh, that smells good. The onions.
Yeah, I'm steaming it small.
So a
then-
slow steam. So one thing that I've noticed since I've been in Ghana is that the sky never ever gets dark. It hasn't gotten dark since I've been here. Like, it still has this type of midnight blue type of look to it, or whatever color you call that. I do not know why, but yeah.
In order for you to make a payment out of the country, you gotta like give them your right hand, left hand, both legs, and your wallets before a bank will transfer to you. And the maximum you can do for the time.
It's bitter,
Why
right?
is my
Yeah, it's not what
it's not bigger.
This is a boiled one. We have this in Jamaica. I don't remember what they call it. Guys, drop it in the comments and let me know. Yeah, we have this in Jamaica as well. Yeah, we sure do. No, guys, it's called susumba or gully beans. Oh, so you blended the susumba and put it inside. Wow. Whoa. Look at that bright color. Jeez.
Oh, wait. It will go down. Then add
And then-
color, yeah.
Cool. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a smell-o-vision. What does it smell like? It smells like a dish we have back home called rundowns, which is made with salted mackerel, coconut milk, and stuff like that. So you're getting that fishy smell from it. It also has that smell of red herring as well, which I've made a rundown with that too. So that is what it smells like. It smells really good. Now that they added the palm nut juice, yeah, you're getting that kind of a. It's more robust. It's very almost a little bit woody. It smells very earthy, the palm juice there. So yeah, that's kind of what it smells like, and I cannot wait to try it. So yeah, here waiting on the food to get ready and done. I know a lot of people come to Ghana or do a lot of other travel expeditions, and they probably would never do something like this, you know, sitting outside, you know, talking to the locals, getting this food prepared on the outdoors. They rather eat from a restaurant. Now, one thing I can tell you with any trip that you take, life is really about the experiences that you want to take. For example, taking a trip, you choose what countries you want to go to, you choose what clothes you want to put on. The same thing with your travels. You choose what parts of the experiences you want to partake in. So of course, if you come to Ghana and you don't want to partake with eating in the hands, that is okay. But for me, it's like coming to Ghana and someone saying to you, "Did you try fufu?" And you said, "No, I did not, but I came to Ghana." It's a little bit strange that you never, you know, tried that particular thing. So for me, I'll try something at least once and see if I like it or not. Now, one thing I hope to try when I'm here is going to be grass cutter. I know a lot of people are going to say, "Oh my gosh, Ibby, I can't believe you actually tried that." But I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna walk away saying that I did this travel experience once, and yeah. Gotta make sure we get some light on that to show you guys the nice color that it has. It looks like in Jamaica we call it Maggi soup. Maggi soup is very yellow. It gives your soup a nice rich color. Here they don't use those artificial, you know, stuff to give their food the color. They're using these palm nuts to create this. So yep, I take that back. Actually, in Jamaica, some people will actually use pumpkins to give our soup that nice yellow color. Rad was asking me how did I find Nima. If you guys never saw the last video, please go back and check it out. I actually like Nima. It reminded me of some parts in Jamaica. In the market, it's pretty similar. You know what? Let me cut the camera because he's about to say something. Ima, Nkwana. If you're a Ghanaian, you should know what I just said, boy. If you're not Ghanaian, I just said, when will the food be ready? Is it ready? Because I am super hungry.
Yeah, that's it.
So that's what the prekese looks like. Also called a dying fruit in English.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, so he took out the tomatoes, had them blended, and now he tossed it back in it. And if you look, you can see the red palm oil that's floating right up to the top now. Rich. So the palm nut soup is still cooking. It's gonna take some time for all those flavors to boil and combine together. So in the meantime, we're having some abono with some okra stew mixed up together, and the fish, some salmon. They call it salmon, but for us it tastes kind of like a uncured mackerel, like what we have back home. And we're having the banku. If you guys never saw that video where you know, Ima, the star of the cooking show, he was making the banku from scratch. So all he did was just boil it in some water to get it reheated, and it still tastes fresh. Funnily, it's fermented, so it's for fermented food to be fresh is kind of strange. But yeah, I'm actually getting better with rolling this for the stew. It's really good.
Like about $50, 50 US, which is cheaper than back home.
And you got it done for free.
I got done for free. Big up the silver here, Ghana, yeah.
And Wode Maya.
And Wode, yeah. They did a really good job, guys. Trust me, I was so pleased. And it took me like only 3 hours when I'm back home. I start braiding my hair from 8 o'clock in the morning, and I don't finish until 8 o'clock in the night.
Alright guys, I helped to clear 2 banku balls just now, so yeah. So how much did I eat? I probably ate a little bit less than 1.
Yeah, it's like quarter
of 1?
Yeah.
Oh. Guys, here I was thinking that I was the banku hero, that I was eating all the banku, but yeah, Getting better, more acclimatized to the food. Today's dish was different and I enjoyed it. I was expecting to do the palm nut soup, but yeah, we actually tried some of it with some beef and it was really good. But it was a little bit too hot to have that for the main dish today, so we had the mixture and that was really good. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And remember to get this video to 3,000 likes. I'd appreciate it. Drop a comment, say something positive, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Keep the link.